Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to check credit score on Bank of America. Bank of America offers free credit score access through FICO Score for eligible credit card customers. Just follow these simple steps to check your credit score. Firstly, log into your Bank of America online banking and click on Tools and Investing in the top menu. Select FICO Score under your credit score section. Your FICO score will be displayed along with factors affecting it. It is a free access for eligible Bank of America credit card holders, updated monthly, no impact on your credit score when you check it, and based on TransUnion FICO Score 8, which many lenders use. If you don't have a Bank of America credit card, you can check your score through credit bureaus, free services, and annualcreditreport.com. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.